We had holiday racing last night in Black Rock. The Firecracker 400 held at the Bobby Humes Memorial Speedway. Karts in 7 different classes competed in Lawrence County. Mason Varner wins in his backyard. The Walnut Ridge native takes the Junior 1 victory. Joe Lester with a trifecta of class wins. He took the checker flag in adult factory stock, the Pro Mod, and Pro Stock. Monday marked the second race day this summer. The next will be on Friday, August 11th. Here's a look at more class winners last night.